Okay, this is the kitchen, and usually what will happen is that if you do heavy cooking, right, this wall behind will be faced with oil and also dust dirt. So today what I'm going to do is to install a transparent oil sticker. Some may call it a backsplash. You can buy this from Shopee. I'm going to install it here, and I'm going to show you the process of the installation. This is how the transparent oil sticker look like. It's a roll, I think it's 50 by 600 cm, 50 cm by 600 cm. So you can actually use it multiple times. It's sealed here. You need to slowly open. So let's get to opening it, and then we shall see how to install it. What you want is see this transparent part here? Behind here is actually a sticker, so you need to peel up properly. Let me go and measure first and then see how much we need. Then you stick it. This is the part that we need. See the transparent part? See my finger there? So you need to peel it. It's just like putting on your road tax, on your windshield, and it's very sticky. This one is a smaller piece. It's only 50 cm, 50 by 60. So I cut this smaller. It should be easier to control than a big one. That's why it's not one fail. Let's just hope it can be done. It's a bit longer, but if you put it really on the wall, it's just nice. The plastic is just nice on the wall, very stick. So here goes nothing. I'm going to just like water just go down just like that. So if the oil is there or water is there, what you need to do is just to wipe. I got a tissue here with me. So here, just wipe. Wipe, 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 wipe. There you go, as good as new. Right. This transparent oil sticker is waterproof and also oil proof. And a bit of heat, about your pot have to be about 30 to 40 cm away from it, should be okay as per the instruction. It's actually good for this kind of surfaces. You see this kind of surfaces, let's just say a tabletop, you want to put a lot of things here and it's oily, right? You can put this film on across, this sticker across, and once it gets dirty, you just wipe it off, and if you, after a while it has worn out, you just peel it through and replace a new one. So very value for money item. Keeps you and your tenant happy too. Easy to clean, so it won't stain your tabletop.